Good morning, student. We have completed 3 chapters of the book. Now chapter number 4, Adaptation in Animals. Today we are going to read the lesson. So listen properly and read with me lesson. Adaptation in animal. First of all, what is adaptation? Adaptation is structure or function of an organism to adjust the various habitat are known as adaptation. I am repeating, adaptation is the structure or function of an organism to adjust the various habitat or various environment. This is called adaptation. So, let's read the lesson. So, read with me. Listen carefully. Name the animals according to their feature. You have to identify the animal. Which animal is this? I have gills to breathe in water. This is fish. Second, I have wings to fly high in the sky. This is bird. I obtain food from my hump when there is no food. This is camel. You can easily identify by looking. I have hooked beak. Tear the flesh. This is eagle. Okay, so let's start the reading. Like plants, animals are also found everywhere. Some in hot areas, some in cold areas, and some in wet areas. The place where animals live is called habitat. Habitat means a place where animals live. According to their habitat, animals are divided into 5 groups. First, terrestrial animals, animals that live on the land. I have explained in second lesson, terrestrial means land. Terrestrial word means terra. Terra means land. Aquatic animal means animal which live in the water. Third, amphibians, animals that live both on land and in water. Fourth, arboreal animals that live on the tree. Fifth, aerial animal that fly like birds. Animals have to adapt special features to survive in the particular surrounding. Terrestrial animals that live on land are called terrestrial animal. Elephant, dog, rhino, etc. are terrestrial animal. Elephant, dog, rhino. They have certain features that help them to live on land. All animals have a proper breathing system. Some animals breathe with the help of lungs. Animals have well-developed nervous system and sense organ. The sense organ help the animal to hunt and protect themselves. They have strong legs that help them to run fast. Some do not have legs like snake. They crawl along the ground. Animals that live in hot desert have thick skin that protect them from heat of the sun. Camels have long legs to keep them off from the hot sand and help to keep its body cool. They also have a hump for storing food to cope the scarcity of water and food. Animals like polar bear and penguin live in colder region. They have thick coat of fur that protect them from cold. Polar bear has wild white colored furs that protect it from enemies. These animals have layer of fat called blubber in their body. This helps to keep their body warm and provides food in winter. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, crab, turtle, etc. are aquatic animals. Fish breathe with the help of gills. They have following features that help them to live in water. Animals like fish have streamlined body that help them to propagate in water. The fins help them to swim. The tail helps them to change the direction in the water. Respiration is through gills. Seal, turtle and whale have flipper to swim in the water. Some aquatic animals like whale and dolphins have lungs to breathe air. Aquatic birds like duck and swan have webbed feet which help them to paddle in water. Amphibian animals that live both on land and water and in water are called amphibians. Frog, toad and salamander are the amphibians. There is a true fact. Penguins move in groups to keep themselves warm. They have following features. They have lungs to breathe on land, while in water they breathe through moist skin. They have special adapted limbs which help them to float in water and also move on land. Arboreal animal. Animals that live on tree are called arboreal animal. Monkey, squirrel and chameleon are some arboreal animals. They have following features. They have long limbs that help them to climb tree. Their hands and feet are adapted to grip branches. They have long and strong tails to swim from branch to other branch. Monkey, squirrel and chameleon. These are animals which live on the branch of tree. These are arboreal animals. Aerial animal. Animals that fly are called aerial animal. Birds, bats and insects are aerial animals. They have following features. Birds have wings to fly. They have feathers to keep the body warm. They also have hollow bones that make their body light to fly. These are aerial animals, birds and bat, because they can fly. in the air. That is why they are called aerial animal. Bats have wings which help them to fly. These wings stretched across arm and fingers. Insects also have wings to fly. Adaptation for food. Different animals have different eating habits. Their body parts are adapted accordingly. Herbivores. Animals like cow, deer, and giraffe are plant-eating animals. They have sharp front teeth to cut the grass and flat grinding teeth to chew the food. These are herbivorous animals. Cow, deer, and giraffe. Carnivores. Animals like lion, tiger, and eagle are flesh-eating animals. They have sharp pointed teeth to catch and hold their prey and to tear the flesh. Birds like eagle, owl, and vulture have hooked beak to tear the flesh. These are carnivorous animals. Lion, tiger, and eagle. They have hooked beak because hooked beak is very sharp and very strong. That is why they can easily tear the flesh of the animal. Omnivores. Animals like crows and bear eat both plants and flesh. They have flat and sharp teeth to grind the food and strong beak to tear the flesh. These are omnivores animals. Omnivores means they can eat both plants and flesh. Crow and bear. Parasites. Animals like tick, lice, and mosquito that live in or on the body of the other animal to obtain food. They are called parasites. They have sucking tubes to suck the blood from the host body. These are parasites. Tick, lice, and mosquito. They suck blood from the body. Adaptation for protection. Animals have developed some ways to protect themselves from enemies. Camouflage. Some animals like polar bear and chameleon have ability to blend themselves in their surrounding. Polar bear have white hair. Chameleon has ability to change its body color according to the surrounding. Thus, they confuse their enemies and escape from them. This is known as camouflaging. Migration. Some birds of cold region leave their home and travel to warmer area to protect themselves from severe cold. Hibernation. Some animals like snakes and lizards sleep during cold winter. They move in underground caves or holes and come out in summer. Estivation. Some animals like crocodile and lungfish go to sleep for a long time during summer. Some animals like rhino and deer have horns to protect them from enemies. Some animals like tortoise and snail have hard shell to protect from danger. Some animals like porcupines and spiny anteater have sharp spines on their body to protect them from enemies. Okay, now let's see lesson in short. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Some aquatic animals like whales and dolphins have lungs to breathe air. Whales and dolphins are aquatic animals, but they have lungs. They do not breathe through the gills. Aquatic birds like duck and swan have webbed feet. Swan and duck have webbed feet which help the bird to float on the water. Animals that live on tree are called arboreal animals. Some animals which spend their most of the time on the tree like monkey, squirrel, these are arboreal animals. They spend a lot of time on the tree. So these are called arboreal animals. Some animals like snakes and lizard sleep during the cold winter. Snake and lizard can sleep long period. They can sleep in the cold winter to protect themselves from cold. They are called hibernation. They move in underground cave or holes and come out in summer to protect them from cold. They can sleep for a long period. So we have completed the reading of the lesson. Let's see what do we have read in this lesson. We start the lesson from the identifying the animals which have different type of features to adapt the environment. Animal groups: terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, amphibian, arboreal animal, aerial animal. Terrestrial animal like elephant, dog and rhino. These are terrestrial animal. Aquatic animal like fish, seal, turtle, whale, dolphin, duck, swan. These are aquatic animal. Amphibian animal which can live both land and water like frog, toad and salamander. These are animals. They can live both land and water. Arboreal animal that spend a lot of time on the tree. These are called arboreal animal. They have long and strong tail to swim from one branch to other. Monkey, squirrel and chameleon are arboreal animals. Aerial animal that can fly are called aerial animal like bird and bat. Adaptation for food. According to the food habit, they are grouped in three groups. Sorry, not three, the four group. Herbivore. First group is herbivore. Cow, deer and giraffe belong to this group. They eat plants and grass. Carnivores. Lion, tiger and eagle are carnivorous animal. Crow, bear are omnivores, and parasites. Tick, lice and mosquitoes are parasitic. Adaptation for protection. All the animals have special features to protect them. Camouflage is one of them. Camouflage means ability to change ability to protect themselves from the environment. Migration means movement from one place to another. Hibernation means winter sleeping habit. It means some animals can sleep in winter for long period to protect them from the winter and come out in summer. Estivation means summer sleep habit. Some animal, crocodile and lungfish, can sleep for a long time in summer to protect them from summer. Okay, so this was the lesson. We have completed the reading of the lesson. In the next period, I will explain the lesson. Your homework is read the lesson again and underline the hard words. In next period, when I will explain the lesson, I will definitely tell you the meaning of the hard words. I will tell you these hard words meaning. So, okay.